Hey y'all, this is Lorraine Pursell, and I just had an insight while I was on my walk this morning, and I wanted to give you a little shout out about it because it really helped me. I got some news this morning that kind of set me off, made me afraid. I had those old feelings in my body, anxiety. And, I was trying to deal with it. I was trying to reason with it. I was doing all the things that I know to do. And then I went for my walk and I started just going, why not? Because there's a lot of flack against saying affirmations. And I think that's kind of why I might have stopped doing it for a while. But I'll tell you what, I'm walking, and the first thing I started to say was, I want to feel good. 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 That raised me about 5%. But then I'm like, what about if I just said, I feel great. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. I'm so happy. I'm sorry. I swear, just changing my words completely changed my thoughts and how I felt. And, I just wanted to pass that on. Affirmations get such a bad rap. It's like, whoa, you got to feel it. Well, you do feel it in your body. It's like your words trigger your thoughts, and then your thoughts make your body respond. So I just wanted to share that. And if you don't know my story, this is my 8th year. See, I think I'm going into my 9th year. It was, 9th year, 2012, September 2012, I began my journey out of lifelong depression and anxiety. And so I've been doing that without medication. And so I like to share with you the things that I find that are hacks for the things that we used to just accept and listen to and entertain that tend to bring us down. So just want to share also that I'm doing a workshop October 9th called Anxiety Hacks, Peace and Calm Under Pressure. Peace and Calm Under Pressure. And that can be found at lorrainepurcell.com/anxiety hacks, lorrainepurcell.com/anxiety hacks. Or you can private message me and I'll get you all the information. Right now it's on early bird. So I just wanted to mention that to you. I've lifted depression. I've began to understand depression and what it is for the last, I guess, going on 9 years now, and have been really successful with it and gone on to help many clients do the same. Just to understand it, it doesn't completely go away. You just learn to deal with it and you go, okay, this is that. Now I know which tool to use for that. Okay. So I'm not saying that I heal or cure, but I just have this body of information for you because it helped me and I've helped other clients with it. Also 25 years as a counselor and a coach. So, so if I can be of any service, let me know. But I wanted to pass that on about the affirmations. Just saying that lifted me. And I'm like, wow, what have I done with this? I've just put that aside. And there was a video I did not too long ago. Well, no, it was about 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, maybe 5 years ago, where I was talking about if you just start saying, I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy, pretty soon the corners of your mouth start going up and you can't help it. And I sort of forgot about that tool. So I just wanted to share with you, I resurrected it this morning and it's been amazing. So I hope this helps and is of service. Just sending you so many blessings. Bye.